I want to show you guys this amazing product. It's by Perbel. It's the CC Cream Color Correcting, Moisturizing, and Makeup Base and Foundation. And it has SPF 43 in it, which is amazing for those with super fair skin like me. And it's UVA protected. Oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like. Basically, it transforms to any skin tone. Let me show you guys how it works. And my mom actually recommended this for me. It's insane. Like, I'm like, oh no, it's okay, I don't want to try it, but I tried it. Oh my god, I've been wearing it basically every day in the summer ever since she told me about it. So I basically just use my hands. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put it on my hands. Okay, so you see how it's white, and now let me put it on my face. So it's white on my face, you see? Now this is where the magic happens. I'm so excited. Look how crazy. So it's white, but then it transforms into your skin, anyone's skin tone. And it's super protective because it has sunscreen in it. It's so moisturizing, it stays on your face all day. I mean, if you go in the pool, you obviously have to reapply, but this is insane. And all I have to do is use my fingers, and then after that, you can put any kind of makeup on top. Put powder, bronzer, anything. So it literally is just like a sunscreen, but it's also a foundation, makeup base. It's so good. And let me blend it at the top. I want to put it on my nose too. It's so satisfying too. It's like white, you see? And then wait for it. Let me put a little bit more on my chin. This is so satisfying. I put it on my chin. And then it's full coverage. Isn't that so cool? And then what I'm going to do is just apply powder to set it. Apply any kind of powder that you have. And that will make it all mattified. You could put bronzer, highlighter, blush, just the rest of your makeup routine. So isn't that so cool? So this again is by Perbel. I don't think it's at Sephora. I think it's just on the website, or you get it on eBay, anywhere. Well, anywhere that has it. This is so good. I just got a new one because I used my mom's old one, but this is amazing. So you guys have to get this. It's so good.